Alright, picture this. Crystal blue water cobblestone streets, sunsets that turn the sky into a painting. Welcome to Ohrid, North Macedonia. I'm about to take you on a dreamy wander through one of the Balkans' best-kept secrets. Let's start with Lake Ohrid itself. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It feels like time slows down here. The lake is so clear you can see the pebbles on the bottom. Sunrise stroll along the boardwalk, fishermen heading out in little wooden boats. Now, you can't visit Ohrid without stopping by the Church of St. John at Kaneo. It's perched right on the edge of a cliff, overlooking the lake. I always recommend walking up the winding path. Every step is worth it. Trust me, you'll want your camera ready. But Ohrid isn't just about the scenery. The old town is a maze of narrow streets and whitewashed houses with red roofs. You'll stumble upon tiny shops selling handmade jewelry. And if you peek into the courtyards, you'll find locals sipping coffee and chatting like old friends. For a taste of history, check out the ancient theater of Ohrid. It's over 2,000 years old, and they still use it for concerts and festivals. If you're here in summer, there's a good chance you'll catch a live performance with the lake as your backdrop. Feeling adventurous? Take a boat ride to the monastery of St. Naum, right near the Albanian border. But what truly makes Ohrid special are the people. North Macedonians are known for their warm hearts and genuine hospitality. You'll always be greeted with a smile and treated like family. The water springs here are so clear that you can actually see the source bubbling up from the lake bed. Plus, there are peacocks roaming the grounds, just another little dose of magic. And let's not forget the food. Try the local trout, grilled and served lakeside, or grab a flaky burek from a bakery in town. Wash it down with a glass of rakia if you're feeling bold. So, whether you're into history, nature, or just want to chill by the water with some Albanian music in the background, Ohrid is a place that grabs your heart and doesn't let go. Pack your bags, bring your curiosity, and I promise, Ohrid will surprise you at every turn. See you by the lake. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel inspiration.